Assalamualaikum, hi everyone, welcome to new creative design and pro training of Adobe Illustrator CC. In this tutorial you will learn how to use selection tool. Selection tool is really important for selection, but with selection tool we can do different tasks. We should know about all these tasks. First we need to select the selection tool from toolbar. This black arrow is called selection tool and its short key is V. Whenever you want to select your selection tool, the short key you can press V from your keyboard and it will come. With selection tool you can select individual object from your artwork. Click on object or your art which you want to select. You can see when I select the object it will become highlighted within a square box around it. If it shows object is selected now. You can even select whole artwork by click on artboard and drag it around the art area. So all the artwork now selected. We can also move the selected objects with selection tool. Select an object and keep selected and keep left click on the mouse and drag it. You can move your objects, your arts anywhere you want to move. You can resize objects with selection tool. For this, select the object and click on the square box and drag it in or out to resize your object. If you want to prevent your artwork from distortion and you want equal dimension, so press Shift plus Alt along with this selection. We can also duplicate selected objects with selection tool. Select an object and press Alt along with this selection and drag it down with your mouse. You can see it's duplicated. We can also select objects within a group. If you have a group of objects and artwork, double click on the group of objects and you can see we are in isolation mode. In this mode, we can only edit the objects which are in the group. Double click anywhere to switch back to the normal mode. We can make real-time rotation of selected objects with selection tool. For this, select an object and click and rotate from the corner of square box to rotate the object. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Design for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.